So many goodies. Oh, and this is me at the New Year's party. Oh, a gingerbread house. It was so delicious. Of course, I need a recipe right now. Do you happen to know how to make a gingerbread house? No, huh? Maybe you know the recipe? No? Ooh, honey, mon ami. Well, you should know. Come on, tell me. Well, for starters, I need some flour. Yup. Check this out. It looks like amazing. Second ingredient is butter. Ginger, cinnamon, and lemon juice. I guess we'll also need some eggs.
Sam, what's going on here?
Hey, Susie! I'm baking a gingerbread house. Will you help me?
No, because you spoiled all the products.
Oh, what should I do then? I need a sign. Huh? What? Ow! What is it?
Here's your sign. Sammy. Huh, interesting. Now this might just work.
What are you up to, Susie? Oh, I'm home again. It's Timmy Daba.
Sammy, I've been waiting for you. Come closer, I'll tell you a secret.
A secret? I love secrets. Huh? Oh, let me go.
Sammy, stop messing around. We've already started shooting.
I'm sorry, I get carried away, Sue. Hello, dear viewers.
Hello, everyone. Today we'll make a cute house using these stencils.
And Sam the Builder's team is here. What should we do first?
Change.
Hey, cut it out.
Oh, sorry. So first, we need to get rid of all the wrappers. These won't be enough. Does anyone else have candies?
We have nothing, promise.
Gotcha, sweet tooth.
Why so many? To marinate them?
No, to fry them.
Wait, what? To fry them? Susie, no! This thing is hot. Everything will melt. Help! Sue, this is crazy!
Stop panicking, Sammy. Just watch.
Holy cannoli! Holy candies! It was so mesmerizing! Oh, Sue, I'm stuck!
At least the caramel has already cooled down.
Thank you.
Guys, just check out this beauty.
I'm sorry, but what is that? You said we were making a house?
And this'll be its foundation, or the floor. Now let's take care of the walls. Just don't get burned while placing candy.
Shiver me cheddars, it's gonna be a caramel house! Give a thumbs up to it! Yay!
Come on, you stand properly. Now we're talking. While the caramel is still soft, we'll take our stencils and carefully put them here, outlining the contours of the house. This'll be a wall with a window.
The main thing here is not to leave the stencils for too long. Caramel solidifies quickly.
Great! It remains only to get rid of the extra caramel and…
Shush it, Sue! Think what you're saying. There's no such thing as extra caramel. Am I right, Uni, where are you?
Oh my. Hey, Sammy, get the beast under control before it eats everything.
Hey, Uni! Come here! Oh, here's an idea. This is just what I need. Hey, buddy! That's it! Well done!
Phew. Give me a couple of seconds to catch my breath and we'll continue.
Down, Uni! I said down!
Every house had at least 4 walls and a reliable roof. In our case, all the pieces are made more or less the same way. This is the wall with the front door. And where did Sammy go? Let's see. Who wants to melt candy?
I want. Can I please?
Hush, don't push. There's enough for everyone.
Yes, red goes here and yellow to the right. It doesn't look bad. Wow, it's so beautiful.
Oh, well, I tried. It's Sammy's fault for missing the last step here.
Sammy doesn't miss anything. Sammy found the… Did that stencil fall?
Yep, right on the caramel pancake. Looks good though. Thumbs up if you agree. This is awesome.
Thanks, Stevie Dubba. That's exactly what I wanted.
So, all the pieces are ready. It means we can put up our house. Sammy, can you bring me some water?
Sure, sparkling still?
No, I won't drink it. The water will stick the caramel together. So this this won't be enough.
Couldn't you have said it right away? Engorgio! Now that's better.
Now let's take a brush, dip it in the water, and start attaching the pieces.
Sure everything's stuck together. It looks kind of unreliable.
See for yourself.
What is wrong with you? I'll complain to the Slime Protection Society.
Oh, come on, Sammy, I was just kidding. And there's no such society. Don't invent stuff.
Hello, we're from the Slime Protection Society and we're here with an inspection. Slime Sam was treated disrespectfully. The fine is that caramel house.
Okay, all right. Just let me finish and decorate it.
What? Susie, are you serious? We'll decorate it?
Yep, I saved a lot of goodies for this. So stay tuned, fellas.
Is everyone ready? I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. I'm flying! First they give you candy, we'll then take it away.
It's more like candy roof tiles. We'll attach them with a drop of water.
Yeah, it's so wet here from your water. What am I, Cinderella? Wait a minute. Shiver me shivers. Come back, you! I said come back and clean it up!
Oh, that mischievous unicorn. And we're done with the half of the roof. Another half is waiting. Oh, wow, this is so beautiful. And of course, you can decorate your houses just like you want.
Yeah, only first you need to get the sweets.
La la la, I'm gonna have a cup of tea. La la la, what? Where did my marshmallows go?
How do you like this decor, Susie?
Oh, well done. We'll decorate windows and the doorway with this. Just a little sizing required. Yeah, this'll be good.
What about this, Sue? Like this? Oh, come on, you attach!
You'd better be careful or those slime defenders will come again. Let me finish this myself. And the last marshmallow thingy? Now this is a completely different look.
Make way, Susie! We need to install something!
Wait, what's all this?
I'll put the fans!
But why don't we make it out of sweets too?
Don't you think that we already have nothing sweet at home?
Okay, I'm gonna have to use my secret stash for this. Here we go! These red and white candies will work just fine.
Shiver me cheddar, Susie! It's just wonderful! I simply have to try you my sweet.
Nuh-uh, wait, mister, don't drool over here. How was that? Bibbidi, bobbidi, subscribity? No? And like that? Oh, great! And the final touch for today. Yes!
Are you sure?
I said yes!
Friends, let's take a good look at our house until we eat it all! Happy every day, I want a chocolate. Choo, choo, choo. Choo, choo, choo.
No, no, no. Uh-oh.
Num, num, num. Num, 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 num. Ooh-wee.
Yeah.
Happy every day, I want a chocolate. Choo, choo, choo. Choo, choo, choo.
No, no, no. Uh-oh.
Num, num, num. Num, 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 num.
No, no, no.
It was so delicious and very sweet. It just seems like we forgot something.
What could we forget? Oh, I'll burst if I eat more. It's great that we can feed all our friends with our caramel house.
Hi, all. What are you feeding your friends here? Why didn't you call me? Oh?
I knew we forgot something. I'm off. See you around, people.
We'll see you in our next video, friends. Oh, Roger, what's up? Here's the thing. Oh, I know. Here, this is for you. We'll feed you something tasty in the next episode. Okay, bye-bye.